In this video, we're going to be going over how to create a company page for your business on LinkedIn. So the first step before you're able to create a page for your LinkedIn, you're going to have to create a personal profile or page on here as well. Now it's kind of like Facebook. If you've ever created a Facebook page, you have to have that personal profile so you can attach that page to it. First thing you need to do is create that personal profile. Now they will make you fill out all of your profile information, and you do need to have this page for a full week before you're able to create a company page. But once you do create that, what you're able to do is once you're on LinkedIn, you have your profile all set up. You can go up to For Business up here. And then once you're up here, I'm just going to click down and you'll see at the very bottom, it'll say create a company page. So I'm going to click into that. And then it's going to walk you through a couple different steps here that you're going to need to use to create this page. So you can choose what type of page you are. Majority are probably going to be company, small, medium, or large business. So you're going to click into this, and then you're going to type in your business name here. And you can see if the URL is already taken for that. So we can come in and customize this if we want to. We can put in our website here. We can choose our industry, and the little star means it is required. So if I want to put in an industry, maybe I'm in retail, it'll give you a drop down once you type in something. So I'll choose that, my organization size, my organization type. Maybe I'm a sole proprietor, self-employed. So we'll just go sole proprietorship here. You can upload your company logo, and you can also see the preview over here as you're going through. So I'll just click here, upload that logo. If I have a tagline for my business, I could just type that in here, tagline here. And then when I click, I verify I'm authorized representative and click create page. It'll then create this page and you're able to come in and you can start to add more information. So description, your website URL, a lot of other pieces of information. And I can come into here and click edit page. And that's where I'll be able to go back in and edit all the things I just created. If I want to have any buttons for messaging me, people can press that button and it'll go directly there. Or if I want to push them to a certain URL I have, I can do that here. Whether it's a sign up or contact us or visit our store, I can add that URL in here if I wanted to. And then you can click through and kind of see all the different sections in here. If you have any featured posts, you can add those in here, post directly under this. It lets you fill in all of these details, any specialties you have, any niches. So you can add those in here. Specific workplace. It'll start to ask you if you're hiring, those type of things. If you have any public commitments or employees, things that you're kind of committed to on a broader spectrum. And then if you have any locations, you can add in multiple locations down here. But that's where you're going to be able to edit all of your page, make changes in here. If you are hiring, you can click into jobs and even go from there. And then you can go through and you'll be able to see your page analytics, your activity, even get messages through here. And this is all still under your personal profile over here. So if you ever need to get to this, you can always go in and find your business pages. So that is how you can create a company page for your business on LinkedIn.